Assalamu alaikum everyone. So for the past few days, Pepe has been so good and definitely really amazing. Now, 2 days ago, I started off with a video called Pay Yourselves. And this is a very popular term used in crypto because a lot of people, I want to tell you something known as floating loss and a floating profit. Okay. So when you lose something, right? Do you know, if you're a beginner, do you ever wonder why people say hold? The reason why people say hold is that in crypto, things fluctuate. They always fluctuate, no matter what coin that is, Bitcoin, Pepe, and that's just how the market is and will forever be for the rest of your life. So if you're someone new coming up on this Pepe coin right now, do follow me. Give me a follow. You're going to lose this channel in the shuffle, and I'm actually updating Pepe updates every single day. So I want you to be a part of this channel. And when things go down, right, people tend to sell and run away. What they don't understand is that when they sell, they actually get in loss, right? When they don't sell, it's just a floating number. It's not an actual number because, as I told you, fluctuation happens, and in the future, the prices may go back up. Now, this is evident when I show you the history. So let's go back into the history. You have Pepe that was up, and then it go down, and then it actually started to push to the upside. It was actually up at some point, it came down, floating loss, and then it went to the upside. It started to go to the upside, floating profit, then it went to the downside, right? So the opposite side of floating loss is a floating profit as well. And right now, when I say pay yourselves, this is why pay yourselves concept came in. When you have profit on any given day, it does not really hurt to take the profits, right? Now, there are strategies where you can take profit. For example, if you think Pepe is going to go even higher, well, maybe take 70% out over here, leave 30% out right over there, right? For the long run, for the holding term. Or maybe just sell 100% and run away and actually trade something else that is down. It doesn't hurt. And the thing is that combine paying yourself with a bearish pattern now on the 4-hour time frame. This is very clear that you have the prices up, RSI down, and your bearish divergence is absolutely confirmed, just like a Nike logo. Okay, and what I'm thinking out is that eventually you will see Pepe coming down to 12, maybe 13,000, because that's the technical target that I'm looking forward to. Of course, it's a rising wedge, and if you look on the 1-hour time frame, the rising wedge is actually popping down. So look at this pop to the downside. So I do expect maybe just a move back up to this area, to retest the trend line and then go to the downside again. If you do end up retesting all the way to 17, and you turn 17,246 as your support, then we're going to move even higher. So keep an eye on this one. If you ever just do something and come up here, I think you're not going down anymore. And one more thing is that perhaps coming down to 12 or 13,000 is 20% move to the downside, which is healthy correction in my opinion. We've seen something like this similarly before, but then you ended up pushing to the upside. Maybe you're going to see something like this, where you do something like that and then go back up, just like you went back up again. And the reason why I say that is because the monthly time frame, in my opinion, it shows that you have a nice green candle, and you do have 3 days to close the candle. So maybe by the beginning of next month, you will start to see a correction down. Now, notice how coming down to 13,000 on the monthly isn't really such a big deal. I mean, like zoom it out just a little bit. We've seen monthly happening big correction and then moving to the upside. So even if you came down to 13,000 again, look how minor that really looks, and then you can actually go back up to a new all-time high, which is going to be that 21,556 that I've been predicting, and it hasn't been met just yet. So that's all for this video on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.